Typewriter was never meant to be used this way, but this artist turned it into a legit fine art technique. Every single dot you see is just letters and punctuation. He feeds in paper and slowly builds up entire cityscapes using nothing but red and black ink, layering tiny characters until buildings, cars, and crowds start appearing out of nowhere. He even swaps in different letters for different textures, using round ones for cars and symbols for trees and bushes. But the most insane part is realizing every window, every taxi, every tiny detail is typed one key at a time, like his Times Square piece. So how many hours do you think one piece like this takes?